Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Pikashow in Samsung Smart TV. So method number 1, screen mirroring. From an Android device, enable screen mirroring on your Samsung TV. Press the home button on your remote, navigate to settings, general, external device, manager device, connect manager, ensure that access notification is set to first time only and device list is set to allow. Install Pikashow on your Android device, on your Android smartphone or tablet. Download the Pikashow APK from a trusted source before installing. Enable installation from unknown sources. In your device's security setting, install the Pikashow app on your device. Mirror your Android device to the TV. Swipe down on your Android device to access the quick settings menu. Tap on Smart View or Cast. Select your Samsung Smart TV from the list of available devices. Once connected, your device screen will be mirrored on a TV. Play content. Open the Pikashow app on your Android device. Select the content you wish to watch and it will display it on your TV. Method number 2, using an external streaming device such as Amazon Fire Stick. Set up the streaming device. Connect the streaming device to an available HDMI port on your Samsung Smart TV. Power on the device and follow the on-screen instructions. To set it up, step number 2, install Pikashow on the streaming device. On the streaming device, navigate to the settings to enable installation from unknown sources. Use the device's browser or side-loading app to download and install the Pikashow APK. Third access, Pikashow. Open the Pikashow app on the streaming device. Browse and play your desired content, which will display on your Samsung Smart TV. Important consideration: security risks. Downloading and installing APKs from unofficial sources can pose security risk. Ensure you download from reputable sources and have updated security measures on your device's legal implications. Streaming content through unofficial apps like Pikashow may violate copyright laws in your region. Be aware of the legal implication and consider using official streaming services available on the Samsung App Store. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.